The all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is here, and once again, it sets the benchmark for luxury sedans around the world. With updated tech, refined styling, and even more comfort, Mercedes proves that the S-Class isn't just an experience. From the outside, the 2026 S-Class keeps its signature elegance, but with some fresh upgrades. The grille has been redesigned to look even more refined, with slimmer LED headlights and a sharper overall front fascia. The rear also gets sleeker taillights and a more aerodynamic bumper. Subtle chrome details and new color options, including exclusive two-tone finishes, help the S-Class stand out in the most understated way possible. It's still classic Mercedes but with a futuristic edge. Under the hood, the engine lineup continues to offer both smooth and powerful choices. The base S500 comes with a turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid tech, pushing out around 429 horsepower. For those who want more, the S580 includes a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing over 500 horsepower. And for the first time, there's a plug-in hybrid S-Class that offers electric-only driving for short trips, ideal for city life with zero emissions. No matter the powertrain, the ride is whisper-quiet, and the suspension adapts in real time to bumps in the road for an ultra-smooth drive. Inside the cabin is where the magic really happens. Step in, and you're greeted by premium leather, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting that can shift through 64 different colors. The centerpiece is a massive old touchscreen in the center stack, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. It's paired with a fully digital instrument cluster and an augmented reality head-up display. And yes, voice control has been improved, so you can say "Hey Mercedes" and adjust climate, navigation, and more without lifting a finger. Rear seat passengers are treated like royalty. Reclining seats, massage functions, dual touchscreens, and even heated armrests make the back feel like a private jet. Whether you're driving or being driven, the S-Class is designed to spoil everyone. Inside, safety and driver assistance are top of the line. The 2026 S-Class features Level 2 semi-autonomous driving, with improved adaptive cruise control, automatic lane changes, and a 360-degree camera system. It also includes emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even a system that prepares the cabin for impact if it detects a collision is about to happen. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class starts around $115,000 for the base S500, with higher trims and plug-in hybrid versions pushing well into the $140,000 range. It's not cheap, but then again, this isn't just transportation, it's luxury in motion. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 S-Class still the king of luxury sedans? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.